Yes. Our last new section brings tears to your eyes. And now we have to learn our last new ions of the year. Here they are, these 5 ions. Learn these and you're done with learning them. Then you just gotta remember them for the rest of the year. These 5 are dihydrogen phosphate, hydrogen sulfide, borate, tetraborate, and hexafluorosilicate. Really, on these, there's not a whole lot new going on. Start with the low-hanging fruit. Dihydrogen means there are 2 hydrogens. Imagine that. Phosphate is PO4. We know that has a -3 charge. Slap 2 hydrogens on front of it, and now you got H2PO4, but those hydrogens each have a +1 charge, as hydrogen often does, so -3 + 2 is -1. H2, oh look, that's what we have over here, amazing. We would not say biphosphate here, by the way, because there are 2 hydrogens, not just 1. It's to be dibiphosphate, which we just don't say. Hydrogen sulfide, the next one, also known as bisulfide. Again, the hydrogen and bi are interchangeable. And so we think, well, what is sulfide? Well, sulfide is S-2, slap an H on front of it from the hydrogen or the bi, and then again, +1 for the charge, gives us a -1 charge overall. And there we go, that's what we have. Yay! Borate, one you just got to memorize. It's got to have 3 oxygens and a -3 charge. Tetraborate, tetra is a prefix meaning 4. Tetra means 4. If you think about Tetris, I don't know if you realize this, but every shape that you get when you're playing, do kids even play Tetris anymore? Every shape in the Tetris game has 4 squares in it. That's why it's called Tetris. And so we know that there has to be 4 somewhere. Well, there's 4 borons. Then the next part is not easy. You just have to memorize that there are 7, and the charge is -2. So the name helps you with the 4, but the rest you just got to memorize. And finally, hexafluoro. Well, that sounds like 6 of something, like an hexagon. So hexafluoro, so there's 6 F's. Silicate, which means we start with silicon, and the charge is -2. Again, Jayton's rule, -2 charge. Anything that starts with an S has a -2 charge. Jayton pointed that out to us. The one exception is thiocyanate, but we weren't doing that ion when Jayton was in class. So there you go, the last new tip introduction of the year, and there we are. Finally, we can move on to something else. Goodbye.